Hi, my name is Justin from grade 7. This is my first week of school. After 2 years of online class, I'm finally going to offline class. Yay! With health and safety protocols implemented, of course. On the first day, me and my friends went to the school auditorium to greet new friends and new teachers. On Wednesday, I think I need to readjust to the pace of offline school again because after 2 years of online class, I feel tired. But on the bright side, that day I learned about the highly effective 7 habits, which are be proactive, begin with the end in mind, put first things first, think win-win, understand then to be understood, synergize, and sharpen the saw. On Thursday, I felt fresh again and we planted veggies on the school's garden, and I also learned about eco-brick. They basically act as brick, but are made from plastic waste. Incredible, just incredible. And then on Friday, me and my friends went trekking out of school grounds, and it was so fun. So that wraps up my first week of school. I hope you enjoyed it because I did. Thank you.